How to unfriend in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you exactly how to unfriend friends in Subway Surfer. So let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, you can see the friends icon. Tap on it. It looks like two fist bumps. In this interface, you will see a list of all your connected friends. These friends are usually added through Facebook or Game Center. To unfriend someone, you'll need to remove them from the Facebook or Game Center directly. Subway Surfer doesn't have a built-in unfriend button. And that's it. Just update your friend list on Facebook or a Game Center, and it will update in Subway Surfer too. So this is how you unfriend friends from Subway Surfer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos, and don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.